SnapSummary AI has just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you're someone looking to maximize efficiency in summarizing and extracting key insights from content, you'll want to stay tuned because this tool could save you hours every week. First off, SnapSummary AI stands out because it uses advanced machine learning to automatically summarize large volumes of content, whether it's articles, books, or research papers. Instead of spending time reading through long texts, you can get the key points in seconds, making it ideal for busy professionals, students, or anyone who deals with vast amounts of information. One of the most impressive features is its ability to maintain context while shortening text. It doesn't just pick random sentences, it summarizes the core ideas, ensuring you still get the full picture, minus the fluff. This means if you're summarizing articles, research, or any lengthy content, you won't miss out on important details. What makes SnapSummary even more powerful is the fact that it allows you to tailor the summaries to your needs. Whether you want a brief overview or a more detailed summary, the software adjusts the level of depth. This feature is a game changer for anyone who needs different kinds of summaries depending on the context. Another huge plus is its accuracy. I've tested several AI tools for summarizing content, and SnapSummary AI impresses by providing clear, coherent summaries without losing the meaning. For marketers, researchers, or writers, this is a massive time saver. And what's even better is that the tool can handle various types of content, from blogs to academic papers, so it's versatile. Now let's talk about its user interface. SnapSummary AI keeps things simple. It's designed with a clean layout that's easy to navigate, so you don't need a steep learning curve. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, getting started is a breeze. The straightforward design lets you quickly upload your documents and get your summary in seconds. It's also scalable. If you're managing a team or working on larger projects, SnapSummary AI is equipped to handle bulk processing, saving you even more time in the long run. Imagine how much more productive you could be when you're not spending hours sifting through reports or books. And the best part? You can try SnapSummary AI for free. That's right. You can dive in and test it for yourself with zero commitment. Just click the first link below and you'll get instant access to a free trial. It's an excellent way to see if this tool is the right fit for your needs. Now, I've tried countless AI tools over the years and I only recommend the best. If you're interested in more AI software that can boost productivity, be sure to check the description below for my top picks. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust to get the job done. So, to sum it up, SnapSummary AI is a powerful tool that can make your content processing more efficient than ever. With its ability to summarize complex information while maintaining context, it's a must-try for anyone looking to save time. Don't forget to check out the free trial through the link below and explore more AI solutions that could transform the way you work.